Are you tired of drilling bits that wear out too quickly in tough conditions, costing you time and money? Crown Tungsten Carbide bits are engineered for durability and reliability in the most abrasive drilling environments. With forged high-quality alloy steel and premium tungsten carbide inserts, they deliver the highest penetration rates and longest life. From soft rock formations to unconsolidated layers, these bits are a cost-effective solution that saves you on replacements and downtime. What's the biggest challenge you face in your drilling operations?